your lights, your locks, your security cameras, your electricity usage. What if one free, open source platform controlled all of it? Without sending a single byte of your data to an American tech company? That platform exists. It runs in your home lab, on hardware you probably already own. And thousands of South African IT pros are quietly using it right now. It is called Home Assistant. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly what it is, why it matters, and how to get it running yourself. Home Assistant is a free, open source home automation platform. Let us break that down. Open source means the code is publicly available. Anyone can read it, improve it, or verify that it is not doing something shady with your data. Home automation means you are connecting smart devices, things like lights, plugs, sensors, and cameras, and making them work together automatically. Think of it like this. Imagine you have 10 different remote controls for your TV, your air conditioner, your gate motor, and your alarm system. Home Assistant is the one universal remote that controls all of them. From one screen, on your phone, or automatically based on rules you set. It runs locally. That is the key word. Locally means it runs on hardware inside your home, not on a server in another country. Most smart home products, like Google Home or Amazon Alexa, send your data to the cloud. Cloud means a remote server owned by a company that is not you. Home Assistant does not need that. Your data stays on your network. It supports over 3,000 integrations. An integration is a connection to another app or device. That means Home Assistant can talk to Philips Hue bulbs, Tuya smart plugs, which are very common in South Africa, Sonoff devices, MQTT-based sensors, and even your solar inverter or prepaid electricity meter. MQTT, by the way, stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. It is a lightweight communication protocol used by many IoT devices. IoT stands for Internet of Things. Basically any physical device with a chip that connects to the internet. Home Assistant ties all of these together in one place. Here is why this matters for you as an IT professional or student. First, privacy. South Africa does not have the same data protection enforcement as Europe. When your smart plug sends data to a server in China, you have no idea what happens to it. Home Assistant keeps that data at home. Second, cost. You do not pay a monthly subscription. You own your setup. No vendor can change their pricing or shut